stars shine, but why we shouldn't give a fuck about what is real and how real is still the only way to feel the pain that sometimes do. In a way that survives the struggles we face in this life, there's a lot time can't erase. Showcase the skills you were given at birth. Live your life here for what it's worth. Show off the style you perfect in life. Show off the way to make it right. Make it to the top of Mount Probation. Rule it until you feel there's nothing more for you to do or say.